Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So let's have a look at Maverick Protocol or MAV. The coin actually pumped from 51 to like 45 cent, 4.5 cent just today to as high as how much did it go? So as high as 85, 8.5. So that was a massive pump. So let's see what is happening with the coin and why it's pumping, and if you want to read it, what you can do actually here. So this pump, there is no news to be exact. They don't have anything on their Twitter or on even on their website. They don't have anything new going on. So from my analysis, what I can see is that it actually was on a massive breakout from this downtrend, and it actually ended up breaking out here, and there was a lot of hype on the X, as you can see here. So a lot of traders basically, I think, pumped the token and it's actually going up. So it actually ended up going up like as high as 9.0, as close to 10 cent on the Binance. This was a massive pump, as you can see, and that is the verdict, I would say, or that is the possibility why this coin pumped, because of this massive breakout, and there was a 200 EMA breakout as well. So all of that actually pumped the token, and it's as of now it's at 6.7. So first of all, if you don't know what the Maverick is, it is basically, it offers a new infrastructure for decentralized finance built to facilitate the most liquid market for the traders. This is automated market maker or AAM. So basically this is likes of Uniswap, PancakeSwap and others, Aerodrome Finance and others, as you can see here. If we look at overall market or overall market cap of the AAMs, it's around 8.8 billion, and over 50 or around 50% is basically dominated by the Uni token or the Uniswap itself, followed by PancakeSwap and others. So if we try to find where Maverick stands here, it's basically somewhere. Okay, so let's try to see. So the Maverick is not even listed in this niche, and it has a market cap of 42 million as of now. And if we look here, it is basically competing against the likes of Oka and others. So this market is really competitive, as you can see, or at least this niche. Anyways, now looking at the token itself, if you want to know what the utility of this coin is, let's have a break it down. The utility of this coin is to be used for staking, voting and boosting, and it is an ERC token. It uses layer 0's omni chain extension as well to enable easy bridging of MAV between chains. So basically the token itself is available on Ethereum, ZK Sync, we have BNB, we have Base. So that's pretty good. Now the token has a max supply of 2 billion, and as of now we are basically as of now the circulating supply is like 33%, as you can see here, which is around 500, around 600 million token itself. Now if you look at the token's long-term price section, the token has basically suffered from this token unlocks. So what I mean is that if you just look here, this is how its market cap looks like, and this is how its price looks like. As you can see here, it seems like that the price has not responded that well to the market cap, and I think that has to do with the increase in supply. Now they do have a pretty good mechanism, I would say, for the unlock schedule, as you can see here. So as of now, if we look here, this is when back in 2024 supply was around 17%, and now as of now it's around 33%. So that's basically 2x. But if we look here, if we just look after 1 year, in July of 2026, the supply will increase to 49%. So basically the supply will be near 1 billion or like 900 million, something like that. So that again is going to put additional sell pressure on the token in the long term. If we talk about who is actually getting these tokens, this is how it looks like. So we have advisors, we have team, we have investors getting the token and they are most probably taking the profit. We'll talk about that in just a second. Why is that? Now there is another reason why the token may have pumped. So if we just go to their DeFi TVL, as you can see here, it's nowhere near its all-time high, or even nowhere near back when it was in 2025 of Feb. But if we just look here, the TVL has basically 2x back from 22 June. So if you look here, as of now, it went from 7.2 million to as high as 14 million. So that could be another reason why the token has pumped. Still I'm not sure, but it could be the reason. Again, as of now, the token will most likely see a lot of volatility because of a lot of traders trading the coin. Anyways, now there is another thing you have to know. As you can see here, we have on-chain lends basically sharing that wallet linked to the Maverick team deposited around 81 million MAV worth of 5.99 million onto the Binance. So basically they are most likely taking the profit. So the team is most likely taking the profit, and this seems to be the proof. So that is something you should know. Now, what can help this coin in the long term? So this coin is basically backed by the Circle Venture, basically Coinbase Ventures and Circle Ventures portfolio, you can see here. So I think there is a high chance that this coin will most likely find its way towards Coinbase in the future, and that is when this coin could actually slowly try to pump again. As of now, it's not available on Coinbase, so that is something you should know. Now let's have a look at the price and what can do from here. So if we just look at the price and let's just try to see with Fib retracement where the token will most likely retest. So as of now, if you look here, it has already tested this 50%, and the second would be, I would say, around 6 cent would be the possibility. But again, this should be the pretty good support as of now, and it should actually go at least as high as 7.4 from here at least. Or if not, if it does continues to go down, there is a high chance that the token will go up from 6 cent or even go up from 5 cents. So these are the 2 points that could be the pretty good entry point if you're trying to trade this coin. And if the hype continues and if the volume continues to increase, there's a high chance that we will most likely hit a new leg up. So like if it does, let's see how much it can go. So it if you try to check the daily chart, it did actually reject somewhere around 200 EMA. So that is something that you should know. So if it does continues to go up, I think, and if it does tries to break 200 EMA on the daily chart, we could actually go as high as 12 cent. And if the hype continues, it can actually go as high as even 33 cent as of now as well. But again, as of now, the traders are just trading the coin, so it is unclear where they will actually push it. But as of now, if it does continues to go up, I am looking at here, so around 13 to 11 cents seems to be the pretty good it seems to be the pretty good sale target as well. Again, in the long term, at least for now, I think the coin will most likely continue to go down. So in the long term, I'm looking at a new low in the future if the price rejects from here, because of the supply increase that you should know. If there is no demand, if there is no increase in demand, this I think the increase in supply will most likely push this coin down in the downtrend in the long term. So anyways, this was it. I hope you liked the video. I will be back. No, thanks for watching.